I'm going to try to do more Blu-ray collection or reviews where I pick things out of my collection that are kind of things I'd like to review and talk about. We're going to talk about Rick and Morty. I reviewed the first 4 seasons because season 5 at the time recording this is not currently out, but on Blu-ray or been released at all. But I have them here and I'd like to review them. So at least the Blu-rays. So I'm not here to discuss the quality of the episodes because I know there's some controversy. Some fans don't like episodes of season 4 and season 3 and they have issues with it. Other fans really love them. Other fans don't. I'm not here to discuss all of that. I've made my thesis clear on the show in its own videos and reviews of it, so I'm not here to discuss that. Anyways, I am here to just talk about these Blu-rays. Now, seasons 1 through 3 are released in their own Blu-rays sets. But this set just combines them all into one set for about $30 to $40, which for 3 seasons is fair. And these episodes are they have episode commentaries and tons of bonus features. So there's a lot of Adult Swim shows and Cartoon Network shows and TBS shows and things like that that Warner Brothers puts out on Blu-ray, and a lot of them don't have episode commentaries for every episode. They might do like a few fan favorites and stuff like that, but this is one of those shows where every single episode has one. I will state, each of these has a statement from Warner Brothers, which I think is very good that they put this on there, that what the creators and writers say in these episode commentaries is not approved by Adult Swim themselves. And it is, or they're not in, they don't, by these people saying it, the stuff that they say in these, they don't agree with them. So if they say things that you might find offensive, just know that this is on the people who make the show and not themselves, and they're just saying how they feel and talking about the things that they create, so they use more language and things like that. So if that stuff bothers you, you may not like the episode commentaries. But there's tons and tons of special features on these Blu-rays. The art on these is really good. So let's pull out seasons 1 through 3 set here. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And this one actually came with the poster. I don't have the poster. I gave it to someone because I don't have space for posters. If you can kind of see my background. I just have like a lot of stuff. So you got disc 1 of season 1, which there's about like 13 to 10 episodes in a season. So there is not a major compression issue in terms of episodes. And then we have season 2, and they look great on Blu-ray. I've watched all these a few times, and then we have here's season 2, and then this was season 3. These all have the same art. My only issue with this set is this is ridiculous that there's only 3 discs. There's a space right here where they could have put a flipper and put 2 right here, and then you could just flipped and got into season 3. They did not need to stack them. But however, it is just 1 disc, so it is not that bad. And if I really cared that much, you could have bought the individual seasons releases of season 1, 2, and 3 of Rick and Morty. So. And then we have season 4, which everything I said is basically the same. You have amazing artwork here, and then you have a different artwork on the disc. But yeah, it's the same. And these are really great releases. If you're a fan of the show, if you like learning about the production and listening to the creators talk about a show that they and the writers and things like that, you want to hear episode commentaries. If the show itself isn't enough, because really, I feel like this show isn't enough, because after watching it, I was like, that's it? Compared to like other shows, we get multiple episodes per season, and stuff like that. We don't really have that here with this, so it's kind of just feels like it goes by so fast that it's kind of hard to really enjoy the show. But so episode commentaries and more stuff about the show is fun, right? So I think if you're a fan of the show, you should pick these up. It'd be cool if Hulu would put out Solar Opposites, Blu-ray or DVD even. I'd prefer Blu-ray, but if it came to DVD only, I would pick it up. But yeah, I think this show is great, and anybody who is a fan of the series should pick these sets up. If you're a big fan, or if you're looking for a gift of a big fan of the show, these are great sets to pick up.